everyone, I'm Sonia Roselli and I am here with the gorgeous Emma with Marie P. Anderson Agency, and we are going to do some drop lashes. So Emma, you are a makeup artist too, aren't you?
Yes.
Awesome. So have you ever wanted to learn how to do individual lashes?
Oh yeah, absolutely.
Well, sometimes I like to do individual lashes because strip lashes are sometimes a little too much. I created these great new lashes called drop lashes, and today I want to teach you how to get a gorgeous strip look using individual lashes. You ready?
Good, yes.
Awesome.
Let's do it.
So let's get started. So first thing I want to do is I want to add some mascara to her lashes because this is going to give me kind of a buffer between her lash and the glue so that the glue won't pull off her lashes when it's time to remove them. So I have a new mascara here. Don't freak out. This is a brand new mascara. I'm going to give it to you. I'm not going to give you anyone's cooties. So now that we have that bottom mascara on, I want to take a brow spoolie and I want to comb the lashes out because I want the lashes kind of spread out because of the way that I'm going to put the drop lashes on. I do what I call a bricklayer technique, and once you see it, you'll understand. Now, I am going to apply the mascara. A lot of you may be saying, why aren't you curling the lashes? You do not want to curl the lashes before you put on individual lashes because it'll be hard to lay that in there when it comes time. As you see, here's some spaces in between here. What I want to do is I want to kind of make those spaces less obvious. So see how this now is almost like a flat layer where I can lay the individual lashes on. So I have three styles of drop lashes. I have the short, I have the medium, and I have the long. I find I use mostly shorts and mediums, but I do need some longs. And one of the things that people say, well, why do you need the longs? I don't use them that much. Actually, some people have really long lashes, but you want to have the longs just to kind of build that volume as well. The reason I created drop lashes is because I was so tired of picking the lashes out of the box and then they would splay. So I literally just asked my manufacturers, like, just drop them in a box. So that's how they got the name drop lashes. So they look like pubes, but whatever. It's like, they're little lash pubes. They're lash pubes. And then I literally drop them on the palette. That's all you do. So you can use any kind of glue. You can use your duo glue. Some people like to use Lash Tight. Whatever you have should work. So I want to show you how much glue to put on here. I feel like where people get into trouble is they put too much glue on their lash. Like, you kiss it, you don't make out with it. So now that I have the lash on here, I'm going to come in here like a bird lands. So I like to start in the middle, and you're just going to place it right on the top. And then drop it and let it go. Take the end of your tweezer and then just press it on the lash. And we're gonna keep doing this until we get an entire row done. Now that we have this first row on here, you'll see here that I have spaces in between here. This is what I'm talking about, my brick layer row. So now what I want to do is I want to add the drop lashes in between the spaces. And that's going to start building the intensity. Okay, now that I have the two layers on, I'm going to take the end of my tweezers and press them in. What we're going to do with the mediums now is we're going to add the length. So right now she has the volume. And for a lot of people, that's just fine. Some people don't really want long lashes. They want thicker lashes. Now I have some mediums, and I'm going to go in between where I see more spaces. Look, you can't even tell where they stop and start. And if I wanted to give her some real va-va, 60s va-va boom kind of look, I could do 4 or 5 rows here. All right, so now let's show you how to get a real thick lash. So now that we have her lashes done, there's 2 things we're gonna do. We're gonna add a little bit of mascara to the lash itself. You wanna make sure that the lashes are good and dry before you do this, because if you don't, you're gonna kind of take them off. The other thing I wanna do is now I want to curl them. And keep in mind, when you curl lashes, you want to ever so gently touch it to just where you get enough bend, because you don't want to squeeze too hard or you're going to pull the lashes off with it. Okay, so we're going to I'm going to come in with a lash curler. I'm going to get as close to the base as I can, and I'm going to lift this eye like this, and I'm just gently pressing. Can you tell, Emma, that I'm not really using that much force? Oh, yeah. And then just lightly keep pressing until I get that curl. Now what I want to do is I want to add a little bit of mascara. I'm just going to kiss it just a little bit to just make everything blend in together. And I'm just going to gently hit those tips. Now, once you've gotten all of your mascara done, just come in with a Q-tip and makeup remover and just kind of clean up any residual glue. And then come back in here with eyeliner or however you want to finish the eye, and then finish up with concealer. So did you learn something?
Oh yeah, I learned a lot.
I love it. Awesome. So there you have your drop lashes.